a quick video on graphing a quadratic function. This is just with the vertex and the line of symmetry. So actually you can get a y-intercept here. It's really easy also. Let's try to get these things. First thing you're going to do is make your list. Remember that standard form is y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. And what you want to do first is you want to just label what those pieces are. So a is the number that's in front of x squared. In this case, it's 1. B is equal to the number that's in front of x, which is in this case -2. And lastly, c is just, it's -1, isn't it? So we're just going to collect some stuff that we know. First thing we know is that if this a value is positive, it's going to have a shape like this, right? It's going to be concave up. So that's from a, right? A is greater than 1, therefore we get this thing, don't we? Secondly, we can get the vertex, the line of symmetry. The line of symmetry, we just know this equation. We know its x value is x is equal to the opposite of b over 2a. Therefore, the opposite of -2 is 2. 2a is 1, isn't it? So we get 1. So x is equal to 1 is our line of symmetry. What else can we get? Oh, we can get the vertex, can't we? We can get the vertex by plugging this number in. So we get the vertex, because the vertex passes through the line of symmetry, is 1. We go up here and plug 1 in, so we get 1 squared minus 2 times 1 minus 1. And if we do all this arithmetic, we get -2, don't we? So we get the vertex at -2. So we get this thing right here, don't we? This is actually pretty straightforward, I think. Well, you know what else we can get? We can get a y-intercept. And think about the y-intercept. When you get a y-intercept of something, everywhere on the y-axis, right? Everywhere on the y-axis, x is 0. So that gives us f of 0. So x will equal 0. We'll go back up to the equation. We'll take 0 squared minus 2 times 0 minus 1 is equal to -1, right? We get that. So these are the pieces that we have so far. And then we can just graph this thing, given what we know. So let's make our Cartesian plane here. So here's the Cartesian plane. Right? And what do we know? We know we have 0, -1. Here's 0, -1. That should be a great solid. 0, -1. 0, -1. We know we have a line of symmetry, don't we? We have our line of symmetry. We have our line of symmetry at x is equal to 1. That's right there, isn't it? So that's this. This is x equals 1. And we know we have the vertex at 1, -2. So this is 1, or maybe here. 1, -2, right? And then at the very beginning we knew that it had this upward shape, didn't we? So it's going to look something like this. Yeah. Now at some point in the very near future we need to figure out how to find this point and this one. But for this demonstration that's not what we're going to do. So I think we have it. Good job.